VPN shows connecting or disconnecting when we use the VPN option from the Settings app and Control Center under the network card. Here's how to turn it off completely without deleting the app. First, go to the Settings app, scroll to VPN, scroll a little bit, and tap on the General option. Again, scroll to the bottom, and tap on the VPN and Device Management option. See the VPN profile that's added. Tap on it and turn off the toggle next to VPN status, and disable it. If something is stuck here, then you won't be able to turn it off from the Settings toggle or Control Center. Alternatively, launch the installed app on your iPhone and disconnect it from inside the app. That's useful and quick when you don't want to manage it from the Settings app. If the VPN keeps reconnecting in the background but shows off everywhere when you're using a secure banking app or installing a software update from the Apple server, and you want to delete only the app from the iPhone, then delete the profile only so it doesn't interrupt the Wi-Fi connection in the background. Go to Settings, scroll a little bit, and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and tap on VPN and Device Management. Tap on the VPN option, then tap the I button next to Device VPN. And delete VPN. That means only the VPN profile will be deleted. It can reinstall again when you start the VPN on your iPhone from the app. That's all about turning off VPN on iPhone 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, and any iPhone model. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.